Hello and welcome to Don't Pull the Chicken Switch, 1.5 minute nugget. This morning I'd like to talk about momentum. And momentum, the definition of momentum is the impetus gained by a moving object. And I'm using that particularly in reference to moving ourselves forward daily, weekly, monthly, in the pursuit of whatever it is we're going after. For example, this morning I'm about to embark on 2,500 yards in preparation for my race coming up in a number of months. Now, a month and a half ago, 2,500 yards seemed like a lot of yards to try to swim. Today, it's still a little bit difficult early in the morning, but it's doable. On my way to 4,224 yards to equal 2.4 miles that the Ironman race encompasses. So I'm moving forward daily, a couple times a week, increasing my mileage to the point where I've got momentum now. I'm moving this object, this big old 46-year-old body, towards the end in mind. And as we think about not pulling the chicken switch, momentum is a very important concept to keep it going. Make the little things routine and habitual towards not pulling the chicken switch on gaining our final objective, our desired outcome. So I challenge you to think about what you're working on, what you'd like to work on, what you've been putting off, and think about momentum in terms of just the little things required to move the object towards the desired outcome. And it's possible. I wish you super great luck. I'm off to go swimming now. See ya.